Keep your phone fast and light. Introduction: the slow phone problem. Hello, and welcome. Does your smartphone feel a bit sluggish these days? Are you constantly running out of space? Don't worry, this is a very common issue, and we have some simple steps to make your phone feel brand new again. Finding the storage hogs. The first step is to identify the storage hogs. Think about which apps you use the most, especially social media and photo editors. They often create lots of temporary files and folders. Clearing hidden cache safely. Next, it's time to clear the hidden cache. Go into your phone's settings, find the apps section, and then look for the option to clear the cache for individual apps. This is a very safe way to free up quick space without deleting any of your important data. The power of cloud storage. Now, let's talk about your precious photos and videos. Instead of keeping everything on your phone, you should start using cloud storage services like Google Photos or OneDrive. It is a fantastic way to back up your memories safely. Choosing light apps. Also, be smart about which applications you use. Many big apps now offer a light version that takes up much less storage and uses less battery. For example, Facebook Lite or Twitter Lite. Utilizing mobile websites. Or, you can just use the mobile website instead of downloading the app altogether. Boosting speed, RAM optimization. Storage is one thing, but speed is another. To boost performance, we need to focus on RAM optimization. RAM is your phone's short-term memory, which keeps apps running quickly. Managing background tasks. Check your phone's running applications list. It's important to safely close background tasks that you are not actively using. A lot of apps continue running in the background, consuming your precious processing power. The essential software update. Remember to keep your phone's software updated regularly. Updates often include critical performance fixes and security patches that keep your device running smoothly and safely. The last resort, factory reset. Finally, if your phone is still very slow after trying all these steps, there is one last powerful solution, the factory reset. This will wipe everything and make your phone exactly like it was on the first day. But, be sure to back up all your data first. Conclusion: simple steps for a fast phone. By following these simple tips, clearing the cache, using the cloud, and managing your background apps, you can enjoy a smoother, faster phone with plenty of free storage. Final takeaway: thank you for watching. Keep your phone light, keep it fast.